Hola a todos. Soy el Dr. Franz Lang, and I'm here to teach you correct pronunciations in Spanish, Catalan, as well as in many other languages. We will explore the pronunciation of this famous volcano in two ways: the modern Spanish version and the original Nahuatl. First, in Spanish, it is
Popocatépetl. Popocatépetl.
the Spanish version is the most common one used internationally. However, in the native Nahuatl language, it is pronounced
Popocatépetl. Popocatépetl. Popocatépetl.
All right. If you enjoy learning about pronunciations, be sure to subscribe to my channel for more pronunciation guides from around the world. Join us on this linguistic journey and stay tuned. Find more on youpronounce.it. Tschüss.